Hello family, and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. My name is Kaye and I am the host of this channel, Creating with Miss Kaye. And you guessed it, the theme for the week is beach. And I am all ready to go. I'm all dressed up, ready to go to the beach. This week, this collaboration is hosted by Anna with The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, and Pure Elegance by Kim. I hope you enjoy my video, and I'm looking forward to you watching all the way to the end. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share. Make sure you go to all of the participants on the playlist, watch their videos, give them a thumbs up, give them a sweet comment, be inspired, and we will see you next week for Tablescape Tuesday. I would like to thank Anna as well as Kim for hosting this week's Table Tuesday. It's gonna be so fun. See you soon. Bye-bye. My beach theme for this week's Tablescape Tuesday is a luau. I love the bright colors. You can put just about any color together that's bright and airy, and you can make it match for a luau. You can get your pineapples, you can get your coconuts, all of your fruits out, and you can just make a table beautiful. I didn't try to be Miss Matchy as I normally am, and I just went with these nice bright colors. I sort of used what I had that had been collected throughout the years for gatherings that I've had here through the house. So this is my Tablescape Tuesday beach theme table. I'm using so many different colors. I have some coral, I have some orange, I have some fuchsia, I have lime, I even have a little bit of teal. And with all of the greenery, I think everything came together perfectly. This is one of my fun, festive tables. This pineapple that this coral floral piece is sitting on is nothing but a candle that came from Bath and Body Works. It's gorgeous when it's on. Most of my items did come from the Dollar Tree, but you know what? I think everything paid off perfectly. This was actually for someone's birthday. So this was a birthday celebration. And so I was so pleased to share this video with you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed putting this together. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.